Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious ham and cheese omelet. First, gather your ingredients: 2 or 3 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of milk, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Next, prepare 1/4 cup of diced ham and 1/4 cup of your favorite shredded cheese. You will also need an 8-inch non-stick skillet and a good spatula. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. In a bowl, whisk your eggs, milk, salt, and pepper together until they are slightly frothy. This incorporates air, making your omelet light and fluffy. Next, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in your 8-inch non-stick skillet over medium heat. Once the butter is shimmering, pour the egg mixture into the skillet, gently tilting it to ensure the bottom is evenly coated. Let it cook undisturbed for about 30 seconds. As the edges of your omelet begin to set, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, tilting the pan to allow uncooked egg to flow underneath. Once most of the egg is set but still a little moist on top, sprinkle your diced ham and shredded cheese over 1/2 of the omelet. Continue to cook for another 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the cheese to melt. Then, carefully fold the omelet in half using your spatula. Your delicious ham and cheese omelet is now ready. Carefully slide it from the skillet onto a plate. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh chives or parsley. This quick and easy meal is perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even a light dinner. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade omelet, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.